And then I'm going to be servicing the BEK system. First thing we're going to do is we're going to open this up. And we're going to start draining the tank. Close this and this. So that's going to seal all the water in here. It's not going to be trying to drain anything from the rest of the system. I'm going to get the strap wrench. And I'm going to break these free. We use these Hydronix filters. They're 4.5 inches diameter, 10 inches long, and then 20 micron. You just want to look at the O-ring, make sure that it's still in good condition. You can see we got a little slime in there. You just want to make sure this hole lines up with that notch in the bottom. Screw it back in. Now this filter wrench, this is plastic. I never use this to pull it off because it'll break. But if I just give it a few taps, just like taps to put it on, it's usually all it needs. And you don't want to tighten it down too hard because it will mash the gasket, and if you force it real hard, sometimes it'll push it out of position. So the filters are changed. We just got to wait for this tank to finish draining, and we want to try to get whatever little particles of algae or buildup out. All right, so I'm going to close this guy off, and I'm going to put it to on. These are our proportioning pumps. You can see they're both mixing. So this is the A, B, B. Right now it's set to A. So these two are putting edge from the tank into the line, mixing that with the incoming water, and we're filling this guy up. All right, so that's it. This is definitely full of water, and it has water running through it. There's no drips come out anywhere, so we are good to go. You always want to put this in remote when you're done. That way when they turn it on upstairs, it will turn on the BEK.